Today, we're diving into two powerful indicators that work together to deliver highly accurate buy and sell signals. Let me show you an example. Here we had a pullback entry because the price retraced and touched the green trend ribbon with just a wick. To confirm this was a valid signal, we checked that the oscillator was below the zero level. As you can see, it was, and this trade turned out to be profitable. Now let's look at another position. The price also pulled back here, touching the trend ribbon with a wick. But if we check the bottom indicator, the oscillator wasn't below the zero level, which means this entry wasn't valid. Unsurprisingly, this trade ended up being unprofitable. Here's another example where all the conditions lined up. We had a pullback, the oscillator was below the zero line, and it resulted in a profitable trade. But whenever one of the conditions isn't met, like in this trade, the likelihood of a loss increases. In this video, we'll break down these two indicators and learn how to combine them for highly profitable buy and sell signals. First, open TradingView and load any trading pair of your choice. I'll use the 1 hour time frame for AuDCAD. Next, click on Indicators and search for Adaptive Kalman Add 2 Indicators by Zierman, the Adaptive Kalman Filter, and the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter. These indicators are like siblings. They're related and complement each other beautifully. The top indicator, the Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter, adjusts to market volatility and momentum. It simplifies trend direction by cutting through noise, making it easier to see what's happening. The bottom indicator, the Kalman Trend Strength Oscillator, also adapts to market conditions but emphasizes both trend direction and strength. Let's focus on the oscillator for a moment. You'll notice a line that changes color between green, red, and occasionally blue. The blue color signals potential pullbacks or reversals. For instance, when the oscillator is above the zero line, indicating a bullish trend, but turns blue briefly before going green again, it signals a pullback. Similarly, in a bearish trend below the zero line, blue indicates a potential pullback during the downtrend. This is mirrored on the chart by the trend ribbon, making it easy to spot opportunities. The oscillator also has a trend strength gauge, which displays a percentage indicating how strong the trend is, red for bearish trends and green for bullish ones. Higher percentages suggest stronger trends, and we typically aim for 80% or higher for trade entries. The top indicator also has a cool feature called Volatility Adjusted Bands, which you can enable in the settings. When activated, these bands change thickness based on market volatility. For example, thicker bands during high volatility can signal potential breakouts. In a bullish trend, when the price breaks above the upper band, it's a strong signal to go long. Conversely, in a bearish trend, to break below the band suggests a short opportunity. If you disable the volatility band, you'll see the sigma band, which is helpful for identifying trends and pullbacks. Now let's combine these two indicators for our strategy. Here's how we'll set up the indicator's trend range set to 100. Trend strength leave at 5. Disable the volatility adjusted bands and set the sigma band length to 50. Or adjust colors for better visibility. The bottom indicator, disable the Adaptive Kalman Filter, change the zero line to white, and make it solid. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. For a long trade, ensure the market is bullish one. Look for a green trend ribbon with the price trading above it. 2. Confirm the trend range is mostly green, showing a bullish market over the last 100 bars. 3, spot a pullback where the price touches the ribbon with a wick no closing below it. 4, check the oscillator. It should be below the 0 line during the pullback. 5, confirm the trend strength gauge is at least 80%. 6, enter the trade when the oscillator crosses above the 0 line. Set your stop loss near the trend ribbon and aim for a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Let the trade play out, and if all conditions are met, it's likely to be profitable. But don't be too hasty. I have a couple of gems just before the end of the tutorial for you to add to this and make it way more profitable than it is now. For a short trade, reverse the conditions 1. The trend ribbon should be red and the price trading below it. 2, the trend range should be mostly red, indicating a bearish market over the last 100 bars. 3, look for a pullback where the price touches the ribbon with a wick no closing above it. 4, the oscillator should be above the 0 line during the pullback. 5, confirm the trend strength gauge is at least 80%. 6, enter the trade when the oscillator crosses below the 0 line. Set your stop loss near the ribbon and use a 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. Both of these indicators created by Zymerman excel at adapting to market conditions and measuring trend strength. By combining them, we can create a powerful strategy for identifying high probability trades. Remember, this is not financial advice and no strategy is foolproof. Always backtest and do your research. Oh, and by the way, I'm the man of my word. Just watch the recommended videos on your screens and combine them with this strategy, and believe me, you'll thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.